channel. So today we're doing this beautiful look that Kim Kardashian wore on Met Gala 2019, and everyone is doing this look. At first I wasn't gonna really do it because I saw way too many people already trying out this look, but then I was like, it is around the corner and this is pretty wearable, and I had this outfit that this look goes perfectly with, so I was like, okay, let me give it a try. So this is my take on this look. I didn't do the wet hair look because I didn't want to. I guess I was just being lazy, and I like this look way better than the wet hair look, but if you wanted to, you can definitely do that. But yeah, so if you guys want to know how to get this look, please stay tuned. Starting off, applying Smashbox's Photo Finish Primer all over my face. This is oil free. It's pretty hot today where I live, so this is gonna come pretty handy for my skin today because my skin is really oily. So I'm just gonna apply this all over my face. So I'm taking my Maybelline's Master Strobing liquid, and this is just gonna give us a really nice glow because she literally looks wet, and I know she has that whole wet hair going on. I am not gonna be doing that because I washed my hair today and I'm going to work tomorrow. It's like 10 p.m. tonight. It's 10 p.m. tonight. It's like 10 p.m. right now, and I don't really want to wash my hair again tomorrow because it's actually not good for your hair to be washed every day. So yeah. And for foundation today, this is the only foundation that I have that's a little darker than my skin right now. So this is the Shiseido's liquid foundation that has SPF of 30. I usually use this during the summer, but this is the only dark one I have right now. I think I used up all of my other one, so this is what I'm gonna use. But this has amazing coverage. It's very runny. I don't know if you can see, but it's super runny, but it has an amazing coverage. So I'm just applying this all over my face. And whatever is left down to your neck. For concealer, I'm sticking to my Tarte's Shape Tape. Now to bake everything, I'm going to be using my Fit Me loose powder. Whatever is left on your sponge, just apply it all over your face. And then with the tip of this, I'm just going to pick up a little and contour my nose. So now I'm gonna go off camera, do my eyebrows, and I'm gonna do my left eye and then come back and show you guys how I did it on my right eye. Okay, see you in a minute. Hello guys! So I did my eyebrows and my left eye off camera. Now I'm gonna show you exactly what I did on my left eye on my right eye. Does that make sense? Anyways, I'm gonna do it on my right eye and walk you guys through it. I'm first going in with MAC Soft Ochre. So just apply this all over your lids. And for eyeshadow palette today, I'm using Lorac's Golden. All these beautiful brown shades, and it has a lot of the shimmers that I want to use for this look. And also I'm going to use this palette from Kat Von D. I think this is discontinued. The only thing I'm going to be using from this palette is this orange shade. So if you don't have this palette, you really don't need this palette. You just need a shade like an orangey shade like this. I'm sure you guys own one. I'm first going in with the shade Undressed, and I'm going to apply this all over my lid. Next, I'm picking up the shade Undeniable and just apply this on the outer corner of your eyelids, like so. Picking up the same shade, I'm gonna apply it to the inner corners as well. So you want to keep the middle section of your eyes as clean as you can. So as you can tell on the side, it starts out big on the bottom and it kind of just goes small when it gets higher up close to our brows. Now with a small brush, I'm picking up the shade Unwind. Apply this on the outer corner to deepen this up. Picking up the orange shade from the Kat Von D's palette, and I'm gonna apply it over the other light brown that we have already applied. So basically, see, I'm gonna draw a line for you guys, so like this. Basically, this is how you want it to look. I'm gonna blend this out a little more with a clean brush. Picking up some more of the Undeniable shade and just blend it out a little more up here. With a small pencil brush, I'm picking up the shade Unedited and I'm just applying this right here. You don't want to apply too much of this. You just want to kind of build it up. Don't apply a lot first. Just apply a little and then blend it out, and then go back and apply a little more until you're happy with the results. Pick up a little more of the orange and reapply it over the dark brown that we have just applied. So for eyeliner, I'm using Kiko's Intense Color Long Lasting Eyeliner. Sorry about that. So you need the littlest amount of this, and you need to get it as close to your lash line as possible. Now with a small little brush like this, I'm gonna smoke it out. Same brush, I'm gonna pick up the shade Unedited and just smoke this out a little more. I'm gonna apply the same eyeliner to my waterline. Apply a little on the outside right here, very little. And now with my pencil brush, I'm gonna blend it out or smoke it out. Picking up the shade Unleashed and just apply this over the black, and over that I'm applying the orange shade from Kat Von D's palette. Now with a small flat brush, I'm picking up the shade Uninhabited. It widely down on my lid and then just going smaller as I go up. Small blending brush, I'm just gonna blend it out so it doesn't look harsh. Also, it kind of looks tilted. It's not a straight line, so it looks like it's, if you can see on this eye, it's not straight up, it's kind of tilted that way. So on this eye, I'm gonna tilt it a little to the right. With the same brush, I'm picking up the shade Unlocked a little bit. And this is just gonna make it pop a little more. And go back and blend this out too. This is literally like 15 steps for that little area. Now for the glitter, I'm using Stila's Diamond Dust. Under my eyebrows, I'm using Ofra's Everglow. I'm gonna mix these two shades and now that the eyes are done, I'm gonna pick up a brush and I'm gonna brush away all the excess powder that's still sitting on my face. And for contour, I'm using Chocolate Soleil from Too Faced. I love this brush. So how you can use it is right here. So you can basically hold it this way and go right here. It gives you a nice line. See that? It just hugs your cheek. Big fluffy brush, I'm gonna take this Milani's Bellissimo Bronze Big Powder Blush, and I'm gonna just use this to, and I'm just using this to, whoa, look at all this fallout. I'm just gonna use this to bronze my face a little. Now I'm gonna be using the same bronzer, and I'm gonna use this to contour my nose. With a clean brush, I'm gonna blend this out. For blush, I'm gonna be using Peaches by MAC. I love this shade. With a clean brush, I'm gonna blend everything out. I'm picking up some of my loose powder again. With this, I'm just gonna apply it right under my contour to sharpen it up. Picking up some of the powder with a small brush, and I'm gonna apply it next to the contour with it on our nose, so the contour can, stand out a little more. I'm using the Ofra Cosmetics Everglow highlighter. You guys, this highlighter is crazy. You see that? This gives you the perfect wet look. So apply a little on your forehead. By a little, I mean a lot. And I'm just gonna apply the same on my nose. Bow, of course your chin. And now for lip liner, I'm using this Milady's Cosmetics lip liner in the shade light brown. I'm just gonna use this to outline my lips. Now for lipstick, I'm gonna be using a little bit of Huda Beauty's Bombshell, and now I'm gonna top it off with MAC's Nicki's Nudes. I'm gonna use a clear lip gloss from NYX. Brush off the powder that's still sitting on my face. Nice it looks when we do that. So I'm gonna wipe away the little powder on my nose. I'm gonna set everything using Milani's Make It Last. For lashes, I'm gonna be using Lilly Glitchy's lashes in the style Divine. Before applying the falsies, I'm gonna apply a little of mascara on my own lashes. This is Voluminous Lash Paradise from, oh my god, I forgot again. It's L'Oreal. Okay. Just gonna give my own lashes a little coat of mascara. If I could get this mirror to open. So just pop these on. Applying the same mascara to my lower lashes. So this is the final look for the makeup. I'm gonna go and attempt to do the little Hollywood wave on my hair. I don't know how it's gonna come out, but I'm gonna try. Let's see how it comes up and I'll be right back. So this is the hair, you guys. I think it came out pretty nice. I couldn't get this side of my hair to look like this, so I think it looks nice just keeping it tucked behind my ears, because we want to focus on one side, I guess. Anyways, if you have watched this video to the end, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I really love the look. It looks very pretty and very wearable. You can wear it to any occasion. Maybe if you want to tone down the lashes and the highlight, totally up to you, but it's definitely worth trying and it's very wearable. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram. It is at Makeup by Roya. Thank you so much for watching again. Love you guys and have a happy Mwah. Bye.